have for you, I'll be making a sleek ponytail with the side swoops. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this. This is the first attempt at making a sleek ponytail with a side swoop, so y'all bear with me. But I know first off, we're starting out with stretched hair, and we're gonna start by sectioning my swoop off so I can see where exactly I want my swoop to lay, and then we're gonna go ahead and start slicking the ponytail back. As you can see, my edges are very sparse, so I will be going in with some of my track hair, and I will be laying down some faux edges with the hair. So it's gonna be real cute. So if y'all want to see this, go ahead and pull up a chair. Y'all know what to do. Grab y'all popcorn, get your favorite drink, and we about to start this video. Let's go. Wanted a really deep swoop, so that's why I left out a lot of hair on the top. It's going to be a slick ponytail, but I am going to use some gel in order to slick this hair down. The gel I'll be using is going to be this Eco Crystal styling gel. Here we go. Start out with this comb to smooth the hair down. All right, y'all, so now I have the back of my pony molded the way I kind of wanted it. So I'm going in with some of this Got To Be Glue gel, and I'm just going to use that as a topper, and that's just going to help my hair lay really, really flat, and it's going to mold it real well. Gonna go ahead and hit it with some of this blasting Got To Be Free spray. So I know my hair is little in the back, but we still gonna go ahead and twist the ponytail or braid it or do whatever you want to do. I might just go ahead and throw a little braid right here. I mean, I only got like 1.5 inches worth of hair, so y'all bear with us, sister. All right, so that's all we're gonna do with that, and just leave it. So now we're about to start working on the front of our hair. I need to blow dry it just so it can knock some of these kinks out just a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with some of this heat polisher by Fantasia. It's a heat protectant, and we're just gonna add some of that onto our hair. It's for blow drying or flat ironing the hair prior to. You want to protect your hair strands, so go ahead and add some of this to your hair if you're doing any kind of heat or blow drying to your hair. Okay, y'all, look how much length I got on my hair. I didn't know I had this much hair. I don't blow dry my hair at all. So like, this is the first time I'm blowing drying my hair. But look at this. Ah! I got some length, honey. I might have to start doing some blowouts or something. Look at that. But this is how the hair is looking. All right, so in order for me to lay my front and get my front molded the way I want it, I'm gonna have to add tracks into the hair just to make it thicker. Now I know y'all probably saying your hair is already thick, you could probably just go ahead and swoop it, but let me show y'all. As I start to mold the hair down, it's not going to be as long as I want it. Do you see it has like thin areas here, and I kind of want my swoop to go all the way out to here, so I'm like missing here, or not really missing here, just not long enough to reach. So I'm going to add tracks for that purpose. Here we go. Pull up. Here we go. Alright y'all, so this is how many tracks I got in so far. It's only 3 in there right now, but I'm noticing that my natural hair is still a lot puffy. So what I'm going to do is lift up the tracks that I already put in, and I'm going to flat iron my own hair that's in between each track. Pretty much where I want it. So we're going to go ahead and wrap the excess hair around our ponytail like this. So this is what we have so far. Go ahead and hit the ponytail with some of your freeze spray. And like I said, we are doing this hairstyle in sections. So we molded the back, and now we're on the swoop. We're going to go ahead and blow dry the swoop dry, and then we're going to work on our faux edges. So let's go ahead and get this together. Pull up. Here we go. All right, so now comes time for the fun part. Putting on our faux edges. So we have our swoop molded, and we have our ponytail already set. So this is what we got so far before we attach our crochet hair onto our ponytail. We have to build the faux edges. So I have some track hair, the same track hair I've been using for the swoop. I'm going to go ahead and start laying those down. My adhesive I'm going to be using is not really an adhesive. It's just a styling gel, and this is a Mega Hold styling gel for natural hairs by Cantu Shea Butter, and it's a humidity hold, so hopefully it'll last throughout the summer hot days. I'm going to start laying that down just in sections, and we're going to start building our hairline. If you have not seen this done on my channel, I have done this one time before in another video where I did a high puff ponytail. So if you want to check out that video, you can go over to my channel and yeah, take a look at that. Here we go. Pull up. right, y'all, so this is what the hairline is looking like now. I put the faux edges on, and I'm about to spray them with the freeze spray. Don't worry about the ends just yet. We're going to make sure the hair is laid to the scalp, and then we'll worry about the ends and incorporating that into our ponytail. So let me go ahead and blow dry this, and then we'll work on the ends. All right, so now that we have that in place, we're gonna go ahead and work on these ends. I'm gonna put a rubber band in my mouth. So once I get this incorporated with the ponytail, I'll just secure it with an elastic band. So let me turn around and see what I'm doing here. Here we go. All right, y'all, and I'm back now that I have the ponytail sleek. I have the swoop set in place. I have the faux edges set in place. I have the ponytail right where I want it. Now it's time to attach the ponytail. So this is the hair that I have, and I put this on an elastic band. This is hair. This hair is by Freetress Eco. This is the Deep Wave 22-inch. And I have the color 30, 27, and a 613 mixed. So I'm going to go ahead and attach the ponytail to my hair. And yeah, we're going to just wrap this video up. So what you want to do to get this ponytail attached to your hair, you want to put it on kind of upside down. So don't put it on like this. That's not what you want to do. What you want to do is put it on upside down this way. Hopefully I'm in the camera. Yeah. And you want to attach the ponytail upside down, and you want to go ahead and secure it to your ponytail. Here we go. And once you have that on and it's secured just like so, you want to flip the hair over just like that. And so that would cover your ponytail. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab a section of hair off of the ponytail, a pretty thick section. And we're going to separate that from the ponytail, and we're going to wrap that around the base of our ponytail. Alright, so now that I wrapped the hair around the base of the ponytail, I'm going to go in with some of these bobby pins, and I'm going to pin right around the base, and that's just going to help secure the ponytail to my head. Alright, y'all, so this is what the ponytail is looking like. I'm going to go ahead and hit it with some of this Ultimate Conditioning Sheen Spray, because you don't want your hair looking dull. Blonde hair tends to do that. And I'm not spraying any sheen on the ponytail. That will make your crochet hair tangled really fast. Alright, so this is what the hairstyle is looking like. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all would try this type of style on your own head. For my older mature ladies, we do have this hair in the silver or the salt and pepper. So if y'all want to try this in y'all older mature crowd, you can definitely have this thing. You can achieve this same look with the salt and pepper hair. Alright, so go ahead and drop me a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what y'all think about this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Your girl been working hard all morning, so at least thumbs it up and drop me a comment down in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Share this video to as many women as you know that have alopecia edges that want to know how I did these faux edges to make this hairstyle mesh as one. Go ahead and share this video. I forgot to do my sideburns, so before I wrap this video up, I will be laying these down with some Got2b glue gel and just creating some nice little swoops on my sideburns.